Hey, Joe Plum Crazy Restorations. We're looking at the 1960 Buick LeSabre. You can see we pulled the engine out of the car and we're going to be resealing it with all new gaskets. We've cleaned it up quite a bit, but there was pretty much leaks everywhere on the engine, so we'll get this thing cleaned up, reassembled with all new gaskets and seals, and then we'll repaint it, and then we can continue to put it back in the car.